Alright, so I have a issue with this analog stick. It's like basically always inputting the down input. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that because it's unplayable now. It doesn't even register going up, it'll just counteract going down. Alright, so I got inside this PlayStation 2 controller, and this potentiometer, which translates your movements to electronic signals, is always firing down. So I was gonna replace it with a third-party potentiometer from a Pelican controller for the PlayStation 3, but I figured I'll try out using these Nintendo potentiometers just because I like GameCube controllers a lot and they're similar size. Let's see if, like, son of a bitch. Alright, so I actually had to replace the entire stick box. It was a stick box that was messed up. The only thing is this third-party stick gets stuck sometimes when you, like that. But I could just shave off some plastic and it'll work. So it turns out I'm just a dingus and I don't have to shave anything. I just didn't check to see if the stick was any good beforehand, but I have another one right here that seems to be alright. So gonna do this again. Alright, moment of truth. Alright, sweet, and let's see if the stick gets stuck. Perfect.